Tech and welcome back to my channel Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the speed test comparison between the both phones, which is a Poco X3 versus the Poco M3 Pro device. As you can see, friends, so right now I do have the Poco M3 Pro smartphone. I'm testing the Poco M3 Pro, friends, in terms of the performance and all those details. But in this video, let's focus on the speed test. So whether the Dimensity 700 processor can be the faster or the Snapdragon 732G processor can be faster. So that is what I'm going to test in this entire video. So during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use this kind of 15 applications which I have downloaded, friends, and both applications, as you can see, in both phones I did use the same kind of 15 applications, and these are the normal basic applications. I did not use any kind of complex applications or any kind of games as well. These are basic applications which we use for every day. That is what I'm going to test first. So let's see which phone will be able to perform the best. And in case if you want the gaming type speed test as well, I can definitely do that gaming type as well in case if you are interested to know. So make sure to comment below in case if you're interested. So let me to first clear all the background. As you can see, friends, all the background applications are completely clear, and right now this is a 4GB RAM variant which I'm trying to use, Poco M3 Pro, and the Poco X3 is 6GB RAM variant. As you can see, that is the one thing which I thought of just mentioning to you in case if you want to know. As you can see clearly, friends, so now both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so there is nothing much difference in the Wi-Fi network. So both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network right now. As you can see, TP-Link. So it should be kind of same kind of comparison. So let's see, friends, which phone will be able to open faster and the better. That is what, and even which phone will be having the better RAM management to store in the background. So let's start with the first application, which is the Google Chrome application. Let's see, friends, which phone will be able to open faster the Google Chrome application. So 1, 2, 3, get set, go. And first it got loaded in the Poco M3 Pro with the Dimensity 700 processor, and this has got the Snapdragon 732G, as you can clearly see, friends. So next is WhatsApp as well. The Poco M3 Pro did load WhatsApp faster, as you can clearly see, friends, in terms of the difference. So next, Instagram also, the Poco M3 Pro did load faster than the Snapdragon 732G, than the Poco X3. And next is Flipkart. I think maybe the Poco X3 did load slightly faster, but not much. Let me just keep the background applications, and still it's loading to change the latest thing. It's, as you can see, it's kind of really loading right now. Let me to select some other page, and I'm trying to keep in the background as a memory. Next is the Amazon application. Amazon Poco M3 Pro. As you can clearly see, friends, the Poco M3 Pro did open faster than the Poco X3. You can clearly see the difference. Let me try to keep the background as the mobiles. As a background I'm trying to keep. So let me try to quickly deselect, yes. And let me try to go back to the home screen. And next is a YouTube. So YouTube, both phones are kind of close to each other, nothing much difference in terms of the YouTube. And next is speed test. Let's see, I think the Poco X3 did open faster and connected to the server as well, as you can see clearly, friends. So let me try to connect the same server. So yes, and let me try to do the test at same time. So same time I'm trying to do the Wi-Fi speed test. Let's see which phone will be able to pick high signals. So right now both phones are picking up kind of close to same signals, as you can see, even same 14 Mbps and 18 Mbps slightly increased as soon as it decreased. So upload speeds are 49. You can see the difference clearly. And just now I did upload a video on the iQOO 7 review using after 30 days. So make sure to check that video in case if you are interested to know my complete review. And right now, as you can see, friends, the 50 Mbps speeds we got and 50 Mbps speeds we are trying to get right now in this phone, in this Poco M3 Pro. As you can see, 22, 23, 30 Mbps. So here we do have 50 and 14 Mbps download. You can see the difference in terms of download. I'm trying to keep in the background memory, friends. So next is the Play Store. So Play Store, both, I think the Poco M3 Pro did open slightly fast. Let me try to keep this game in the background. So beach buggy racing in the background I'm trying to keep. And next is a camera. Poco X3, slightly faster. That is what we did see. And the Facebook, I think both are kind of close to each other, nothing much difference. And Amazon Prime. Let's see the Prime, which phone? I think the Poco X3. As you can see, friends, the Poco X3 did open the Amazon Prime faster than the Poco M3 Pro. And the Poco M3 Pro still it's taking some time. I'm not sure what has happened. Let's see how much more time the Poco M3 Pro gonna take loading, and it's loading. So if possible, I'll try to clear again. I'll try to do the same kind of test if it doesn't load properly. So let me do the Amazon Prime test once more time, friends, because there's something problem with the application. I'm not sure. Let me try to do it again. Let's see. Second time what will happen. Second time both opened at same time. As you can clearly see, friends, there's nothing much difference. Second time. and you can easily differentiate both phones because the Spider-Man wallpaper is available only in the Poco X3. So in this way you can distinguish which phone is what type of phone. And the Ghana, so Ghana Poco M3 Pro, as you can clearly see friends, it loaded everything. Poco M3 Pro, just now it loaded, as you can clearly see here. Let it go back, and next is Myntra. Let's see which phone. Poco M3 Pro again. That's really shocking friends. Poco M3 Pro did not expect in fact the Dimensity this Poco M3 Pro to be the winner in this way, but just a small margin. It's not a huge margin, it's not a big I would say definitely, but it's a small margin. But we'll get to know in the RAM management section which phone is kind of really faster, and Poco M3 Pro opened the faster. So now the final conclusion is that in terms of the speed test, so more points I think the Poco M3 Pro has got in terms of the opening the applications faster than the Poco X3. Yes, that is the speed test which we concluded. So now as you can see friends, all the applications are in the background in both phones, as you can clearly see here. Starting from the Google Chrome application, everything should be in the background, as you can clearly see. So now let me try to open all the applications one by one. Let me try to start from the back side. Zoom, yes, I'm trying to start from the back side, not from the front side. This is what few users they did advise me to start from the back side. And the Paytm, so yes, it's in the memory. And the Myntra, yes. And next is Ghana. Sorry, I didn't click the Ghana. Yes, Ghana, both are in the memory. Next is Prime, yes. And Facebook also, yes, that's good. And the camera also, yes, in the Poco X3. And the Play Store, not. Yes, Play Store also, yes, as you can see friends. So Play Store also is there in the memory in the Poco M3 Pro. Let's see the speed test. Speed test, I don't think so. The Poco M3 is not having in the memory, but the Poco X3 has got complete score results. This is the reason I did the speed test before, to show you friends. So this is the one thing to notice. I'm not sure what is this touch happened just now. It's not going this kind of touch. I'm not sure why. Some kind of weird thing is going on here. So for the first time I'm seeing this kind of problem. Let's see the YouTube also Poco X3 loaded directly, no issues. And the Amazon as well, same page, it's there, as you can clearly see friends. I think even the Poco M3 Pro also is same page, but it took some time to load from the background memory. And the Flipkart as well, same page in the Poco M3 Pro. That's shocking. So this is the same page I left in the Poco X3. I did leave the other page, but that's not there. And the Instagram, both did open again. And the WhatsApp, again the Poco M3 Pro is the winner. And the Google Chrome, both phones are the same. And the Poco M3 Pro slightly the winner. As you can clearly see friends, in terms of the RAM management, this is how it is between both phones. As you can see, I'm trying to open the random application just to see which phone has got faster memory as well. This is another thing which I thought of testing. As you can see, out of these 15 applications, you can see clearly which phones are opening faster. I'm just trying to open friends, as you can see. So you may notice slightly smooth animations on the 120Hz display because of this 120Hz and 240Hz touch sampling rate which is present in this smartphone as well. That is another thing. So still it's loading, as you can see. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. Overall I did find close tie from the Dimensity 700 processor versus the Snapdragon 732G processor. Yes, slightly close kind of speed test and the RAM management as well. So if I use the 6GB RAM variant, that would be really great. But let's see friends, and thank you for watching this video, and make sure to comment below what are your thoughts. Definitely I'll do my best to post as much as videos as possible, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.